Nakahanda at nakaalerto ang Philippine National Police upang protektahan ang digital system at online platform nito mula sa Distributed Denial of Service o DDoS attack na posibleng mangyari bukas November 5. Ayon kay PNP Acting Chief Police Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Nertates Jr., matagal nang nagpapatupad ang mga hakbang sa cybersecurity ang PNP kahit bago pa man ang abiso mula sa Department of Information and Communications Technology.
With or without any announcement, the PNP is continuously protecting our system, especially e-governance na tayo. Ginagawa natin ang iba't ibang activities like to ensure firewall, ensure the integrity of hardwares, and even software.
Sinabi pa ng opisyal, may mga insidente na noon kung saan nakompromiso ang ilang database ng PNP kahit hindi na umano nila ito hahayaang maulit. Kabilang sa mga pinagtibay na multi-layered security protocols ang mas matibay na firewall, system hardening at mas mahigpit na pag-validate sa mga personnel na may access sa mga sensitibong datos ng PNP. Kabilang dito ang mga database para sa e-warrant, National Police Clearance System, SIRAS, firearms and explosive records, vehicle information at internal disciplinary mechanism information system.
We have different system, and in fact we've been victim of that cyber attack, leading to the na-compromise ng ating data, especially sa logistics. Ano pa ba yung pangalan natin doon? The logistics, the firearms, and others. And we are continuously protecting that. And to protect our system, ay ginagawa natin ang iba't ibang activities like to ensure firewall, ensure the integrity of hardwares, and even software. And even yung mga tao natin na gumagamit nitong mga system na to, either they are the administrator or recipient of this data. So, kailangan may integrity doon. Okay?
Nananatiling naka-heightened alert ang PNP Anti-Cybercrime Group na patuloy na nagbabantay sa mga posibleng cyber attack signals katuwangan DICT, Cybercrime Investigation and Coordinating Center at ang National Telecommunications Commission. In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Kath Austria ng 105.1 Brigada News sa FM Manila, the Music and News Authority.